Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 came out here with another reaction. Today we're here with Kraff with us music video called 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So, when you know what this is about, you're going to find another one and hear what the G say. Big up Bodo chopping up, big up one Bodo. Let's jump in on here and hear what Bodo say. Let's go.
What can I say? What can I say this to someone like that, man? No bumbo clout, a tree dog, you man have enough.
Is that Carter?
Everybody by level.
I'm by one.
Oh, that them bite him. Bumbo clout, a tree of them dog kill. Hey, I'm by level.
Even bumbo clout boy though.
Daily piece of boy, man. What's that?
No or never.
Chop your lips, spray like a damn koala.
Joffy.
Chop your lips, stay like a koala. Cause you something for me, just I know I koala. Chop your lips, spray blacker than Kodak. How me hips stay dog, I Kodak. Jimmy Choo for me body, but aroma. Make a feel it pussy wet with the water.
Yo, this just smooth. The bastard. Him dem a kill up himself. Him not try. Him just a listen to the beat and just a meds and just a yo. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. But this one is very important. Please do remember, sir, we are still in November. Even though my birthday gone, we're still in November, and I'm running the promotional deal to get your songs on the platform, whether music video or audio, to get it on the platform. Link me up pan DM, pan Instagram. Instagram is right over my head, Jamaica_worst_gamer. Link me up for your prices, and we can talk business only if you're serious. All right? Let's get back to the video.
Chop your lips, spray blacker than Kodak. How me hips stay dog, I Kodak. Jimmy Choo for me body, but aroma.
What him say? Chop your lips, stay blacker than Kodak? What him say?
Kodak. Chop your lips, spray blacker than Kodak.
Chop your lips, spray blacker than Kodak. You know Kodak, I rap the black in the brother. The man the dark blue in the bro.
How me hips stay dog, I Kodak. Jimmy Choo for me body, but aroma. Make a feel it pussy wet with the water. Jimmy Choo for me body, but aroma.
Jimmy Choo on him body, cologne on him body, bad aroma. Make a feel it pussy stay wet through the water.
Make a feel it pussy wet with the water. Anatolia, press floater. Gozo something for me chest, you know I gold that. If you diss me, made a rest you with a polar. Pussy, you no know that.
If you diss me, made a rest you with a polar. Made a rest, cemetery, dead. Red rum, murder.
You know I gold that. If you diss me, made a rest you with a polar. Pussy, you no know that. Take risks for the dollar. Chasing these commas.
Take risks for the dollar. Of course, we out here take risks for the dollar. Every day we get up, we go out there, we take a risk by being out there. So watch now, we out there take risks.
Chasing these commas, ring.
Let's say the boss chase the commas, he might chase the commas. So you know, so when you go to boom have one comma, you know some number, you say you want 100,000 because the boom have and the boss chase commas, bro. Commas, not one comma.
The dollar chasing these commas, ring. Panic bang, she see the Benz key and swallow.
She said the Benz key. Pussy get wet up, she start swallow. When she has swallow, the wet, I wet 3,000. That she has swallow. So the boss out here chase the commas. So you know, say the more comma you have, the more money you have. You see me? Yeah, because it goes to boom and start at thousands, then going to hundreds, then going to, you know? So, yeah, the boss actually
and swallow. Got a bitch up in the city, she be feeling for the tropics. Bitch up in my whip, she sloppy tappy in the traffic.
Hold on, man.
And swalla. Got a bitch up in the city, she be feeling for the tropics. Bitch up in my whip, she sloppy tappy in the traffic. Million on my wrist, it's not a rollie, it's a paddock.
Ooh, the boss pass Rolex and now. The boss I tell us, where my rear. But before that, he tell us a bitch at the whip. I slap it up in the traffic. Once again, he's getting the aka. 3,000 I in the traffic.
Got a bitch up in the city, she be feeling for the tropics. Bitch up in my whip, she sloppy tappy in the traffic. Million on my wrist, it's not a rollie, it's a paddock. Glizzy with the switchy wipe a nigga off the planet.
Glizzy with the switchy wipe a nigga off the planet. 6'6", dirt settings. Glizzy with the
on my wrist, it's not a rollie, it's a paddock. Glizzy with the switchy wipe a nigga off the planet. Stones up in my bezel, I ain't talking about no granite. You see that Richard Mille dripping water, gotta have it.
Stones up in my bezel, me not talk about no granite. A real shit me I talk about. Diamonds drip. Huh?
Stones up in my bezel, I ain't talking about no granite. You see that Richard Mille dripping water, gotta have it.
When they start talking about Richard Mille watch, you talk about a whole different league I watch now. We not talk about Rolex anymore. Cause you have Rolex here, so I have Richard Mille up here, so. So you know, say Richard Mille are way more expensive. One Richard Mille can buy a house, bro. Or 2 house, depending on the house size and the house price. Richard Mille are $500,000 for all one Richard Mille. £250,000 for all one Richard Mille. Jesus Christ.
Stones up in my bezel, I ain't talking about no granite. You see that Richard Mille dripping water, gotta have it. Fuck around the pesos and I shoot away, he hang it. Jump up on the Draco, he be singing like Rihanna.
Jumps up on the Draco, he be singing like Rihanna. Jump on him Jacob, Jump magazine on the Jacob, he be singing like Rihanna. Yo, that youth a bad fam, like, and he make it look so effortless, like, me like this. No.
Fuck around the pesos and I shoot away, hang it. Jump up on the Draco, he be singing like Rihanna. Nana, from my pussy talk, I did my
Nana.
Jump up on the Draco, he be singing like Rihanna. Nana, from my pussy talk, I did my see me nice. Shotty any raw, you better know me nice. For me take a sip, me have to put a pill in night. Never left me back.
Before me take a sip, you know, say I have to put a pill in night. So, he ma pop Mali too. He ma do the Mali thing too. Artists, when I love a Mali thing, me I beg on the dog.
Raw, you better know me nice. For me take a sip, me have to put a pill in night. Never left me back, pack couple bricky night. The blicky night, them think me like.
Yeah, the boss say he never left the bag pack. He never left the bag pack couple brick night. He might tell us say money can't hold in a pocket. He can't hold in a normal pocket or billfold. No.
Pack couple bricky night, the blicky night. Them think me like. Up every night. Take risks for the dollar. Chasing these commas. Ring, panic banger. She see the Benz key and swallow. Drop your whip spray blacker than Kodak. How me hip stay dog I Kodak. Jimmy Choo pa me body bad aroma. Make a feel pussy wet with the odor. Panatola, press floater. Gozo something pa me chest you know I gold that. If you diss me made the rest with a polar. Pussy you no know that.
cook, let it cook, let it cook. Yo, Bodo, big up yourself, bro. That one is a banger. I like this, bro. Like, yo, this bad. Me like this. Big up Bodo. But me not advise you them for take no pill, man. Not advise that, man. That is a trouble. That is an accident waiting to happen right there. But apart from that, bro, song bad, really nice. Me really enjoy that. And after the reaction, I go bounce it a couple times, and you know, all our vibes to it, you know? Yeah. Bad song still. One Bodo, big up yourself, bro. Kraff, you know, you're putting in the work, my fam, and see it, you see me? So big up yourself, bro. You're here to stay. You are putting out some bangers, and the people them are gravitate to your music every day more and more. So big up yourself, bro. Continue doing the right thing. Big up all the people them subscribe or follow the channel and don't subscribe. Big up on yourself, see me. You see me? But anyway, this time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, man. And I'll see you in the next one. Hey!
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.